Hi everybody, welcome to Live with Children here at Achema in Frankfurt. It's day one and I'm delighted to be at the Stevanato Group booth where I'm delighted to be joined by Alessandro Zannini, who actually was one of my interviewees way back when, in I think 2020 or 2021, where we did it over Zoom. So I'm delighted to see him in person. And Alessandro, buongiorno, how are you, my friend?
I'm very good, thank you very much, Audrey. It is very nice to see you in person and to meet all of our customers finally on a live event like this one.
Well, it's lovely to see you. Now, first question for you is, for those not familiar with Stevanato Group, can you give me a very quick overview of the business?
Stevanato Group is a company that is engaged in becoming a partner with our pharma customers in providing integrated solutions.
Brilliant. Now, what are you actually showcasing to visitors this week?
This week, as part of the equipment and technologies where we do provide vision inspection machine, assembly lines and packaging equipment, we are showing our VRU, which is our vision robot unit that is an inspection machine, robotic, that is capable of handling all different kind of containers like syringes, vials filled with both liquids and lyo, ampules, anything, and it is a human-like inspection process.
Brilliant. Now this actual display screen you've got here, what does it do and how does it help?
This is the HMI, so it is in the interaction between the operator and the machine, and from here you can manage all of the status of the machine and integrate the artificial intelligence to improve the performance of the machine.
Brilliant. Now apart from this, what else are you talking to customers about?
We couldn't bring all of the equipment here, so what we have is we have an interactive video where we can showcase our assembly lines like this one, and we can go and look at the various areas of the machine that we have and go into the details. Not only this one, we can also have different parts, the different equipment like packaging, and even in this case we can go and see the details of what is happening inside of our equipment.
Fantastic, brilliant. Now obviously if people are here, they can come and meet you here in Hall 3, H99. For those people who can't make it to Achema this week, where else can they meet Stevanato Group in person?
They can meet us in person at the next event. Is going to be in the US, in Chicago in October at PAC Expo, or back in Europe at the CPHI Worldwide here in Frankfurt at the beginning of November.
For those people who can't go in person to events, where else can they get more information?
They can come and see us through our website or through our social medias, where they can gather all of the information of our products.
Fantastic. Alessandro, it's been lovely to meet you in person. I wish you and the whole team a fantastic Achema 2022 this week. There you go, viewers. If you're here this week in Achema, please come to Hall 3, H99, to the Stevanato Group and learn more about their solutions. If you can't do that, if you're in Chicago for PAC Expo, check them out there. Or come back to Frankfurt in November and see them at CPHI Worldwide. And if you can't do any of that, then you can speak to them via social media or on their website. So once again, Alessandro, thank you very much for your time. Viewers, thank you for listening and watching. And until next time, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.